Preston Street, one of the lines on the Balti Triangle in Birmingham, and you've got a Dills there right in the centre of the screen. It's really busy in the day, but more to the point, here we are at pure vegetarian restaurant or eatery. There's small places you can sit down in there, but mostly it's takeaway. There's a roaring, bustling trade, and you've only got to see what's on offer to understand why it's so busy. So Milan, Stoney Lane, just off Chesterton Road in Birmingham. So let's have a look inside. Look at the menu. This is a really great place. Very convenient if you're passing by and want a curry in a hurry. Very Gujarati. Some East African influences with the mogo chips here. A good selection of all types of bhajis and pakoras and veg tikka, you name it. Absolutely amazing. And wow, a very, very substantial variety of curries and other sides, and you can buy all the tubs that you can take out of all different types of things here. You name it. I couldn't possibly know all the names for these things, but variety wise, absolutely awesome. Use absolutely quite a lot, but it is one of those places where you'll find so many great and interesting things. Loads of different types of desserts, Indian sweets, and yeah, and a regular. And it's quite quiet today. I've been meaning to make this video for ages.